This new genre of clip-style buds can seem intimidating for some, mostly on how to fit them in your ear the right way. Well, follow along as I show you the proper way to wear the all-new LinkBuds Clip. First, the charging case and some clever tricks we have added to make finding the left and right earbuds a snap. With the case open like this, you place the left earbud on the left and the right on the right. Simple. But let's say you're in a hurry and maybe your case is upside down and you try to put them in the opposite way. You'll notice that the case actually repels the earbuds and only accepts them in the right configuration, which is pretty cool. Having placed my other earbuds in backwards only to find out they did not charge was disappointing. Well, you don't have to worry about that. Another way you can feel if you have the right or the left clip is this little bump right here. If you feel the bump, it is the left clip, and if you don't, it is the right one. This is great if you have trouble seeing or if you're putting them in, maybe to listen to your phone in the dark while your partner is sleeping. It just makes things a lot easier. Okay, now that we definitely know which is the left and the right clip, let's grab the left out of the case by this part right here. Then start by placing the smaller bud portion in your left ear and wrap it around so the larger portion sits comfortably behind your ear. Then do the same for the right. That is it. For most people in most conditions, you should be ready to go tackle your busy day. But for those of you with smaller ears, or maybe you're the type of person who prefers a super tight fit, check this out. This, my friends, is the included air fitting cushion. It pops on the middle portion of the clip and it can be adjusted from left to right. The idea is to use the clip to sandwich your ear and the larger portion of the LinkBuds Clip together. Again, this is great if you know you'll be doing a lot of jarring movements, maybe at the gym, or if you just want more of a snug fit. Try sliding the cushion back and forth to find what works best for you. I hope this answered any questions you had about how to fit your new LinkBuds Clips. If we missed anything, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.